Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the complexities of the mind and heart. Today, we're talking about something that affects so many of us yet is often swept under the rug, the fear of rejection and its impact on relationships. Have you ever hesitated to express your feelings because you were scared of being turned down? Or maybe you've held back in your relationship, afraid of being vulnerable? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Stick around as we explore how this fear shapes our connections, why it's so deeply ingrained, and most importantly, how we can overcome it to build stronger, more meaningful relationships. Fear of rejection is a natural human experience. At its core, it's tied to our need for acceptance and belonging, which has been crucial for survival throughout human history. However, in today's context, this fear often manifests in ways that hold us back, especially in relationships. Understanding the fear. The fear of rejection often stems from early life experiences. If we faced criticism, neglect, or abandonment, our brains might become wired to expect rejection. Social conditioning also plays a role. Society sometimes equates rejection with personal failure, making it even harder to separate the experience of rejection from our self-worth. In relationships, this fear can show up in various ways. Avoidance. You might avoid initiating conversations or deepening connections because you're afraid of being hurt. People-pleasing. Some people overcompensate by suppressing their own needs to avoid any potential conflict. Overanalyzing. You might overthink every interaction, looking for signs of disapproval, even when they're not there. How it affects relationships. The fear of rejection creates barriers to genuine intimacy. When we hold back, we deny ourselves the opportunity to truly connect. Here's how it impacts relationships. 1. Emotional distance. Fear can make us reluctant to share our feelings, leaving our partners feeling disconnected. 2. Communication breakdown. Avoiding tough conversations to sidestep rejection can lead to unresolved issues and resentment. 3. Insecurity. Constantly seeking validation can put undue pressure on the relationship. The psychological cycle. Fear of rejection can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. When you act guarded or insecure, it might push your partner away, confirming your fear and reinforcing the cycle. Breaking free requires understanding and effort. Overcoming the fear. So, how do we tackle this deeply rooted fear? Here are some actionable steps. 1. Shift your perspective. Understand that rejection isn't a reflection of your worth. It's simply a mismatch of needs or timing. 2. Practice self-compassion. Remind yourself that rejection happens to everyone. Treat yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a friend. 3. Communicate openly. Share your fears with your partner. Vulnerability can be scary, but it often deepens trust and connection. 4. Challenge negative beliefs. If you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough," pause and reframe. Replace negative thoughts with affirming ones like, "I am worthy of love and connection." 5. Build resilience. Start small, face the fear in low-stakes situations. Each time you face rejection and realize you can handle it, your confidence grows. 6. Seek support. If the fear feels overwhelming, therapy can help unpack the root causes and provide coping strategies. The silver lining. Facing your fear of rejection can lead to tremendous personal growth. It teaches you resilience, strengthens your self-esteem, and ultimately enhances your relationships. When you stop letting fear dictate your actions, you open the door to authentic connections and deeper love. Thanks for sticking with me through this important conversation about the fear of rejection and relationships. Remember, fear is a normal part of being human, but it doesn't have to control your life. Take small steps, believe in your worth, and watch how your relationships transform. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the mind and heart. And hey, drop a comment below. What's one fear you're working on overcoming? Let's support each other on this journey. Until next time, take care and keep growing.